We're back in Stafford, Texas today in the community of Park Hill Villas. And today we're going to walk you through the Margaux floor plan built by Chesmar Homes.
It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
The Margaux floor plan offers 6 different elevations that a buyer can choose from. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a flex space, a covered balcony, covered patio, 2-car garage, etc., etc., a partridge in a pear tree. Let's get into it. Okay, I know you see from the sign that this Margaux floor plan is gone. You're gone. Bye, bye, bye. In sync. Yes. Okay, I'm insane. No, I'm not. But I want to let you know that this particular floor plan is gone. However, stay tuned because further into the video, I'm going to tell you all of the inventory that they have available and that's coming available. So stay tuned for that. In this floor plan, on the upper level, you have the family room, the dining room, the kitchen, you have a powder room, laundry room, and the primary. Let's look at it. All right, guys, so we're gonna show you around the kitchen, but this kitchen really got me. So now if I'm in the design center and I'm putting together my options and selections for my home, I probably wouldn't choose this because I would think or would have thought that it would make the kitchen appear too dark. But boy, I'm glad whoever made these selections made them because this kitchen is sexy, all right? So now you look at the black on black on black, right? So starting with the black countertops, the black cabinetry, the black hardware, the black plumbing fixtures. It's a lot, but it works. And I think it works because you do get to throw in your flooring and your stainless steel and black appliances. The under cabinet lighting brings in a lot of lighting, and then that actually is the cherry on top for this off-white backsplash. Not to mention we're surrounded by windows and there's so much natural light in this space. So I think that brightens it up a bit. I don't think it will work in every house, but for this house, I really think it works and they pulled it off. For a limited time, Chesmar is giving away appliances. So, well, not giving away, but they're including the appliance package in the homes. Again, that's one of the buyer incentives that Chesmar has right now. But yeah, check out this kitchen. Let me know if you'd give it a thumbs up or thumbs down by dropping down in the comment section and let me know. All right, let's take a look.
It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace and now forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need. But to actualize it, I
One of my most favorite things about this home is the balcony. I love this. And look at your back neighbors. Trees. Right now, with the most recent hurricane, trees are not my friend right now. So we're going through a little breakup, but I do like that they offer that separation and that privacy. And I mean, I just love this house. We'll check out the downstairs covered patio area. All right. look.
adaptable.
Let's finish taking a look around.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. Broken future. All the plans
Is that right?
made in your heart.
Here is your powder room.
Just to die. And now you're damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah.
And now, coming to the lower level of the home, you have your 2-car garage. You're going to have your 2 additional secondary bedrooms, a full bathroom, and the flex space. So now let's jump into the map. You'll see the green circle with the home icon in the middle. That is where we are, Park Hill Villas in Stafford, Texas. And as you can see, Stafford, Texas is really not far from anything. So there's Highway 6, the Fresno Till Run area. You can also see that we are right off of 90 and 288. It's not far away. Neither is 610, Grand Parkway 99. You see all of those locations, and Stafford is in the middle of it all. Here's the inventory sheet for all of the Chesmar homes available between now and October in Park Hill Villas. If you have any questions or would like to schedule your personal tour, you know what to do. Hey, yeah, oh. Coming up, next week we're going to walk you through the Resale Floorplan. I'm having too much fun. And just in case you missed last week's video, we walked through the Chantilly floor plan, and we're going to leave a link right here. If If you've made it this far into the video, we sincerely thank you. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss a thing. And as always, remember that the homegirl is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, bye-bye.